Check out this 2006 Buick LaCrosse CXL. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are AM/FM stereo and CD player, power mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, and HomeLink system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.